Hello, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Just wanted to bring you a new project. The website is avaxstaker.finance, and this is an ROI Dapp. Stake your AVAX and earn up to 20% daily. So it says up to. So that's the most that you can earn. But most of these, it's like 8%. See, 8%, 7%, 8.8, 8.3, 7.8. So these are they call them savings, classics, premium, silver, gold, and platinum. And you have to have this these plans last for 14 days, 21 days, 28 days, and the minimum that you can deposit is 0.05, and this is an ROI DApp. And then once you deposit it, it gets locked up, and then you can come here and daily or whenever you want, every couple of days, look at what you've earned. You're earning based on these percentages and withdraw. So that's how that works. And they also have a referral link, which is like if you want to tell somebody about this app, you just copy it here and you can share this link online or email it to somebody or make a video about it or do whatever you want to try to share the link. And then here's the information on how much, if somebody does join up and use your link, you can earn 6% for each one referral deposit. So if people do deposit, you can earn rewards on that. And then if you do a 28 day, I believe, they give you an airdrop. And then also this has been audited. This is their official audit, and it's by Hayes Crypto. Uh, they usually, on these ROI apps, they usually have this one issue that's saying it's high risk because it's an ROI app. Because basically, um, what happens, what you deposit cannot be withdrawn. So your initial deposit cannot be withdrawn, and you just earn on it the 8%. So if you put in $100, you can't get that $100 back, but you earn 8% on it. And then the other thing was you can join their social media, Telegram, Discord. Here's the contract address. If you need that, you can find it on the blockchain. Up here, copy it. And then here's where you can find like documentation. They have a Medium on medium.com. They have a whole article about it, talking about how they're a fork of the Matic Staker, which is on the Polygon network, and they're saying this is a high yield investment that was, um, it's doing really good. High returns are still continuing, but it's more and more difficult to keep that platform running. So what they did is they made some improvements. They're going to reserve 2% of the capital pool to form LPSWTCH. There's going to be airdrops for the 28 lockup plan, and also the other half will be used to reward the last investor. This will make the project last longer. They increased the APR of the 21-day plan and the 28-day plan to encourage long-term investment. We reduced APR daily growth rate. That will also make the project last longer. We have increased the initial reward, which will bring more users to the project. So they added things to make it last longer so it's more sustainable. So if you get in a little later, it won't just like end. And also, sometimes people like to check the contract to see how much money is locked up. It looks like $3 million. So Usually, if it's in the millions, it's probably okay because it has, a sufficient amount of money there to keep going for a while. So that's not a bad indicator there on if you should do this or not. And this is not financial advice. You have to make your own financial decisions and decide if this is something that you would want to do. If but if you're looking for this type of app on the Avalanche network, this might be a good one because it's audited, and also it's from the same people that did Matic Staker, which seems to be working out pretty well. So here they also talk about their plans that they offer, and you can go through this and read it. And here's all the links to all their social medias, their contract, the the audit, and all the information you need. If you haven't used the Avalanche network, you need to add the network to your MetaMask in order to gain access. And that was pretty much it. I just wanted to review this new project for anybody that's interested in looking for new projects on the Avalanche network. They really don't have a lot of these on Avax network, so um, just thought I might mention this to anybody just in case they're interested. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.